In this video, I will show you on how to see all video like history in your WeChat channel. Open up WeChat app. Click on Discover right here. Click on Channel. So having opened up your channel, for instance, if you like this video right here, and you scroll to like another video right here. So how can you find some of this like, even if you do not follow the account? For that, what you want to do right here to simply click on the profile icon from the top. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on like and favorites. Then here you go. You have access back to all your video likes in WeChat channel. Both the new one and the old one. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the videos you have liked so far in WeChat channel. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.